Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily French Dose. Today, we will be learning 20 different basic French words that will get you started on your French learning journey. We will also show you examples of the words in a sentence. Let's get started. Number 1.
Bonjour.
Hello or good morning.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Good morning, how are you? Number 2.
Merci.
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup pour ton aide.
Thank you so much for your help. Number 3.
Oui.
Yes.
Oui, j'aimerais un café.
Yes, I would like a coffee. Number 4.
Non.
No.
Non, je ne peux pas venir ce soir.
No, I can't come tonight. Number 5.
S'il vous plaît.
Please.
Pourriez-vous me passer le sel, s'il vous plaît?
Could you pass me the salt, please? Number 6.
Excusez-moi.
Excuse me or pardon me.
Excusez-moi, où est la gare?
Excuse me, where is the station? Number 7.
Au revoir.
Goodbye.
Au revoir, à bientôt.
Goodbye, see you soon. Number 8.
Manger.
To eat.
Je veux manger une salade.
I want to eat a salad. Number 9.
Boire.
To drink.
Est-ce que tu veux boire quelque chose?
Do you want to drink something? Number 10.
Allez.
To go.
Nous allons au cinéma ce soir.
We're going to the movies tonight. Number 11.
Voir.
To see.
J'aime voir les étoiles la nuit.
I like to see the stars at night. Number 12.
Aimer.
To like or to love.
J'aime la musique classique.
I like classical music. Number 13.
Parler.
To speak.
Je parle français et anglais.
I speak French and English. Number 14.
Écrire.
To write.
Elle aime écrire des poèmes.
She loves to write poems. Number 15.
Lire.
To read.
Je vais lire ce livre ce week-end.
I'm going to read this book this weekend. Number 16.
Écouter.
To listen.
J'adore écouter de la musique.
I love listening to music. Number 17.
Comprendre.
To understand.
Est-ce que tu comprends ce qu'il dit?
Do you understand what he's saying? Number 18.
Partir.
To leave or to depart.
Ils vont partir en vacances demain.
They are going on vacation tomorrow. Number 19.
Arriver.
To arrive.
Quand est-ce que tu arrives à la maison?
When are you arriving home? Number 20.
Dormir.
To sleep.
Nous devons dormir tôt ce soir.
We need to sleep early tonight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for when we upload new videos.